Hello friends, welcome back and sit at important question. Passage English language, fourth part. Important candidates should attempt questions from part 4, question numbers 91 to 120. If they have opted for English as language only, for language 1 first only, then read the passage given below and answer the questions the below. Hello. 91 to 99. Sri Ram Logo was acting in a play staged at Am- Ambernath Gandhi School. We had managed to get the tickets for the play after match. Running around, we left the hostel quickly after eating dinner in the mess. The play the play started at 9:30 p.m. and it was already 9:50 p.m. Patil and I were rushing along the road to X station. Suddenly we saw Upadhyay ji coming from the opposite direction. We had seen us. Maharshi, where are you off to at this time? At this time, he said reprovingly. We looked at each other's face. Suddenly, Patil spoke up. Sir, I have a headache. We are going the station to have some tea or coffee. We will be back right after drinking a coffee cup. Why don't you get tea and mess? After this question first, Mr. Upadhyay's professional role in institutions was that of this question first a teacher, second the hostel warden, and three an administration, the fourth principal. Then after this question to answer, two the hostel warden. Second question, we had managed identify tense of the underlying expression. First, past indefinite. Second, past present continuous. Third, present perfect. Fourth, past perfect. This question to answer is 4. How did Mrs. Upadhyay receive the boys at home? In this question to answer, third, she welcomed them. Option number 3. Which of the following statement is true or false? A. The boy had purchased the tickets in advance. B. Mrs. Upadhyay supported the boys in their endeavor. First, this question to answer is this question both A and both B are true. Choose the expression similar in meaning to improvised as used in the passage. This question to answer 1. To make it up. This question to answer to make it up. 96. Why were the boys sneaking away from the hostel? This question to answer is 4. To see a play. Which of the following statement is true or false? First, Mr. Upadhyay met the boys inside the hostel. B. The boys were already getting late for the play. This question is answer is 2. Option number 2. B is true but A is false. 98. What did Mr. Upadhyay do after hearing the boys? This question to answer is option number is 2. He took them home for coffee. Second question to answer. Second. 99. The tickets for the play were squirming in our pockets. What literally device has been used in the underlying expression? This question to answer is first personifications. Read the exact given below and answer the question that follow 100 and 105. First question to answer 100. Where is the sound coming from? This question to answer is 3. From a contingent of soldiers. The poem presents itself as a conversation. This question to answer is option number 4 between two persons, which literally device has been used in the expression scare let soldier. This question to answer is option number 4 transferred if it take. The poem has been written in the form of. This question to answer is number of 3. A ballad. Identify the rhythm, rhyme, s- scheme of these lines. This question to answer is A B Abba Abab. This question to answer Abab. What emotional state does cleaning kneeling reflect? This question to answer is 3. Anxiety. Mother tongue based multilingualism. Multilingualism advocates that. This question to answer is 3. All children being their schooling in their mother tongue or home language. Mark the incorrect statement among the following regarding text strategies. This question to answer 4. Skimming is more about in depth reading, while scanning is more of cursory reading. When children start using language to ask about things, events, and phenomena around them, which of the following functions of language is used more than the others? This question to answer is 2. Heuristics. Which of the following is features of humans' language enables humans to talk about the things which are not present in immediate time and space? This question to answer is 3. Displacements. Which of the following skill is not considered as a mark of reading with comprehension? This question to answer is 3. Focusing on individual letters, alphabets. Which of the following is not a feature of grammar translation method of second language teaching? A. This question to answer is first, communicating directly in second language and then comparing the rules of grammar of the two languages. A teacher asks the students to reflect on how they have answered an experience based questions she gave them and what and how they were thinking when they wrote that answer. This is an example of this question to answer is 3. Metacognition. Which of the following among Carson hypothesis is similar to Vygotsky JPD? This question to answer is 3. Input hypothesis. According to Cummins interdependence hypothesis, which of the are interdependent on each other? And this question to answer is 4. Cognitive academy proficiency in first and second language. Which of the following does not justify starting reading skills with words and short story text instead of letter and alphabets? This question to answer is 3. Beginners readers can focus better on bigger and units that smaller units. Which of the following is linguistically correct about languages and dialects? This question to answer is second. There, there is no well defined linguistic differences between a language and dialects. Vera is a 7-month old infant. She is now making vocalization that combine consonant and vowels. She is communicating using which of the following? This question to answer is fourth, babbling. What is productive vocabulary? This question to answer is first, word that we use in writing and speaking. Which of the following is not explained by the concept of the language acquisition device LAD? This question to answer is first, how children learn figure out language. In a speech community, it is observed that each pronounced differently by two different socio- socio-economic groups of speakers. This difference is an example of this question to answer 3. A socio-linguistic variable. Let's the end and don't forget like, subscribe and share and see you later now. Thank you very much.